Stephanie, welcome to your Bronzepony wrap-up. So if you're not familiar with the wrap-up, every month, towards the end of the month, I just go back into my pieces and I pull out some that I think, that if you're new, you haven't seen, if you've been here for forever with me, you may have forgotten about, or just a little reminder and a little presentation of some pieces that I love. So lately, I've been doing it by color. So this is the Lavender Amethyst edition. So let's get started. Okay, first up we have the beautiful interlaced embellished Renaissance bracelet, and this is so pretty. We have it in regular as well. And then we have the original interlace bracelet with all those gorgeous 3mm bicones, so many of them, so much fun. And then up next, we have the beautiful Isabella pendant, again an interlace bezel, and look at the back. It's also finished on the back, and we did it in several different shapes. Next up, we have the Moonrise pendant and earrings, and this is from the Stonehenge Ancient Ruins collection. So pretty. Okay, next up, Sweet Lilacs, and this is the bracelet and the earrings, and look at the back on that. We finished it with those bugle beads, so pretty. Okay, now next up, okay, look at this guy, the Nova necklace and earrings, and this is an oldie. This was the brick stitch around the little rings. We had so much fun doing this, love it. Okay, look at the beautiful Ancient Ruins bracelet and the Sacred Ground earrings. So this is from Stonehenge Ancient Ruins collection, of course. Just an all-time favorite. Okay, next up we have the Northern Sky bracelet and earrings. And this is such a delicate little piece, really beautiful. I love those gorgeous opal color crystals in the middle. And the fun thing about the earrings, so they're small earrings, little dangles, and what's fun about them is that they're reversible. So you can turn it around on the other side, and there you go. You have a reversible earring. Okay, next up we have these really pretty sort of older videos, but just still so beautiful. This is the Victoria lace bracelet, and look at all those pearls and bicones. And then we have Crystal Anne, and this was so much fun to make. Look at the back on this, and look at all those gorgeous chatons in amethyst. We did it in several colors. So really, another really very pretty piece. And then this is a little bit newer. This is the Mascari bracelet, and this one is reversible. So you can wear it on this side, or you can just, turn it over and wear it on the other side. Okay, three of my favorite pieces because they're from the Autumn in New York collection, but still with the amethyst theme. So here's the Scattered Leaves bracelet. Love, so pretty. And then next up we have the Abundance bracelet, and this is so much fun to make. So easy, such an easy bezel, not stressful at all. Just really beautiful. We made it in a couple of colors, so love that one. And then my faves are these Abundance earrings because these were I just wore these all the time in the fall and actually in the summer as well. Okay, next up we have some brick stitch earrings, and these were so much fun, so fun for the summer. These are the summer heat earrings, and we have lots of other versions on my channel as well. And then next up we have the triangle dangle earrings, and this is a cute little peyote flag, let's say, with those little rose quartz drops. Love, so pretty. And then look at the peyote tube earrings, and these are the Empress earrings, and they go with the bracelet that we made. So they're on the same video. So if you go to the earring video, you'll see the bracelet video there as well. I didn't have it in purple, so I pulled the blue one out. That's everything so far. I have a ton more in these colors, but I don't want to make the videos too long. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this sort of amethyst purple edition of the Bronzepony wrap-up. We have many more wrap-ups to come. I hope you were inspired to maybe look at some videos that you haven't seen before, or some older ones and some new ones. So thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.